Hi guys, I hope you're well. So I thought I'd do a video on how I make myself feel better when I get up in the morning, and the tiny products that I use to make a difference on how I feel. So I'm not putting a full face of makeup on every day, like who does that? I mean things that I wear around the house, you know, just to lift my spirits a little bit without doing too much. So right now I am sat here with I've not washed my hair for a good 4 days. So as you can see, it is greasy, it is frizzy, and I have no makeup on the face. So I'm going to show you a little bit of a routine of my everyday kind of basic working from home things that I do, because obviously us as YouTubers, we've been doing this working at home thing for a while now, and I know that it gets really after a while. So I've implemented little things to help me feel better in times like, firstly, get a nice robe. It makes you feel so luscious. So let's begin. First up, the dry shampoo. This is Lee Stafford Keep It Clean with Pink Clay dry shampoo. So I'm just gonna dry shampoo my hair. Brush it through. I actually really enjoy dry shampooed hair. It really makes your hair seem, I've got really fine hair, it makes it seem a lot thicker. So once I've done that, I'm going to get some hairspray. I'm currently using the Charles Worthington Volume Bounce, and as you can see, it's really frizzy at the end. So I'm just going to spray it with some hairspray. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pop it in a very high bun, a slick back bun. But this isn't the end product. I'm going to have down hair today. But whilst I'm doing my makeup, I'm going to put it in a bun for you guys. So that's given me a little bit of a facelift, and it's going to look a little weird throughout the rest of this video, but hopefully at the end you'll see the final product. So first up, I'm going to use this is a new product from Saint-Tropez, and I'm going to use the Self-Tan Purity, and it's a mist, and it works so well just to keep you looking fresher and fresher as the day goes on. Be sparing with it, it is quite a strong tan, so I will be just go to Saint-Tropez and back by the time this video is ended. Okay, so first I'm going to pop on the Estee Lauder Double Wear BB Highlighter. I'm just going to pop a little bit of concealer underneath my bags because they make me feel tired. Even though I might feel live, if I look in the mirror and I see bags, it makes me feel blah. So just covering that little bit of dark circle up really helps me feel alive. So this is what we're going to do. I'm not going to go crazy with it, I'm just going to do a little bit. So I'm going to flick to a clip earlier where I dyed my eyebrows. Dyeing your eyebrows really helps make your structure of your face look really great without putting tons of makeup on. So having a strong brow grain really helps. Just makes them more defined, I think, and it picks up. I made the mistake the first time I did this to just be and then I stained my whole forehead. So now I like to be very careful and literally just try and get it on my eyebrows in the places that I want dyed. So that is what we got. I've got it in the colour dark brown. I was very against dyeing my eyebrows for ages because it was such a huge thing in Liverpool. It's called a scouse brow, and they have black eyebrows, and always just I like to do the opposite of what other people do. So I always wanted to keep my blonde ones because I naturally have really see-through brows, especially in the summer they go blonde. Oh, that's not good. But I took the plunge and I dyed them one time, and I was like, do you know what, it makes sure it's a really model-esque kind of look, I think, especially when you're if you're in the situation like I am and not wearing much makeup all the time. Yeah, let's fast forward this. I'm gonna do this really quickly. I'm gonna put on time lapse. 3, 2, 1. Fashion tips with Laura. So I then leave this on for like 15 minutes. Sometimes I forget, I'm not gonna lie, and that is not a good idea. Trust me, put a timer on. So I will hope the doorbell doesn't ring and catch up with you in a bit when we take them off. Guys, I forgot about my eyebrows. They've been on for an hour. The doorbell just rang and I caught myself in the mirror. I'm either gonna have no eyebrows left or they're gonna be black. I look like a character from Sesame Street. I'll pop him here. So now I'm just gonna comb them out. I'm not gonna bother penciling them or doing anything crazy. I'm just gonna brush them through with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Wow Gel Brow. Wow Gel Brow, this one. I use the colour at the moment, medium brown. I was using taupe, but I'm quite liking a dark brown at the moment. So I'm literally just gonna brush them through. So I'm just gonna pop on a little bit of Marc Jacobs translucent powder just to like even out my skin tone. Nothing crazy. That is all we're gonna do. It's really good, the compact powder as well, because it just gives you that airbrush finish. So without wearing like heavy foundation, you really get that kind of like airbrush look, which I really like on like a no makeup day. So my lips really make a difference for me. I think they are the same color as my skin tone, so they kind of just blend in when I don't wear anything. So having like bare minimal makeup but really having a nice lip really makes a difference. So this is my lip liner that I have used forever. As you can see, it's on its last legs. It's the Rimmel lip liner in the color Spice number 11. You can get it from Boots or Superdrug or any Rimmel store really. So I'm just going to go around the outline of my lips very gently, so it doesn't really look like I've got much on with my lip liner. So I then finish off with like a coloured bomb. The one I'm loving at the moment is from Rosie Huntington Whiteley's range from Autograph. It's like a peachy. As you can see, it's like a very faint peachy tinge to it. So I'm just going to pop that on over the top. So that is literally all I'm going to do with my face. I'm not going to do any more, and hopefully I will just be going more tanned as the day goes on, and it's just a very fresh, lovely, everyday glow. And now I'm going to take the bun out, and hopefully it should be wavy if all goes ahead. So I'm just going to brush this out gently. Now my hair, even though it's nowhere near how it looks when I've just washed it, it's given it a bit of life, a little bit of bounce, and as well as my makeup, it's not like I look anything amazing, but it just makes me feel better when I look into the mirror and I don't see something like, bleh. I look kind of healthy, healthier. And so I just finished off with the Yves Saint Laurent, your favorite perfume, just to like make you feel good. I think just little things like that really help me out. So this is what I do every day when I work from home by myself and I'm not doing a video or anything, I'm just chilling. I put on all this stuff just to kind of make me feel like a human being. I think it really helps. So I hope this little routine helped you out and give you some hacks into like how to just make yourself feel better. And yeah, I hope you're all doing okay, and I will see you tomorrow for another video. Bye.
Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes.